Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing my first unboxing with my BoxyCharm subscription box for the month of December. This is my very first box from them and I'm very excited. I did take a little sneak peek and they do have some really good products in here for the month of December. If you're interested in seeing more, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is my box and it took forever to get here, but I'm sure that's because of like the delays, the shipping delays and everything that happened with the snow that we've been getting around the world. So super cute. Love the inside. It's pink. It has their social up here, and then it gives you a little card that tells you pretty much everything you need to know about the products on it. So in this box, got quite a few things that you can use pretty much on your whole entire face. So the first one was the Huda Beauty. This is the Amnes Obsession palette. I'm actually not really a fan of purple, but these colors might actually change my mind. Like, these are super cute if you guys can see. I believe it's about, yeah, it's like half and half. So you have about 5 shimmers and then you have, well actually no, you have more than 5 shimmers. You have about 6 shimmers and you have 3 mattes. So excited to try this palette. So this first one, oh wow. Love that. You're getting cuter and cuter as we go down, honey. I would definitely say that these shimmers came off like the most pigmented on my skin. Definitely this color too, which is this middle color here, that came out beautifully. So I'm kind of excited to use these colors. I feel like they'll look amazing on my skin. So yeah, stay tuned for that makeup video. The next product that I'm going to be showing you guys is this Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the pressed banana powder. So this is extremely versatile, and I was like, what does that smell? It smells like bananas, and it is extremely matte. So I'm excited to try this. Sometimes you have those banana powders or those setting powders that have a slight like shimmer or like some glitter like specks in it, and I do not like that. So I'm excited to try this because it is extremely matte and it doesn't have any of that in it. So that was the second product. So the next product I am very, very excited about. It is a mascara, and it's Tarte's Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. So this mascara is volumizing, lengthening, and curling. And it has a very flexible tip, as you can see when I'm bending it. So I'm very excited to try this because when I don't have my lashes done, I really don't like to put on strip lashes. Like, it's really a pain. So being able to find a great mascara that doesn't cost too much, that you can apply multiple times and get the volume that you're looking for, also the length that you're looking for, because I have some pretty long natural lashes. So I feel like this might become one of my favorites. I know my other favorite is Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Jesus, couldn't get that out. But that's one of my favorites, so I might be switching over to this one because I haven't worn mascara in a long time, and that's because I be getting my lashes done. But we might have to bring it on back because lashes is getting expensive, too expensive. All right, moving on, we have this MAC Luster Lipstick, and this is in the color Hug Me. And let's go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. So it's very lightweight and it's buildable. I tested it here too. So this was just like the first application, and this is when I applied it multiple times. So it's definitely a buildable formula. It glides on so smooth, and I love MAC, so clearly it's highly pigmented. So the next item that we are going to open is this makeup eraser, and this is a first ever machine washable makeup sponge. Now, I've heard of makeup eraser before, and I've never used any of their sponges, but I do have one of their makeup removers, and it's a towel that you can put in the wash machine and wash, and it comes out brand spanking new. And it's also very gentle on your skin, especially for girls who get dermaplaning like me. You always want to make sure you're not like scrubbing your face, well, anybody really, but especially for the girls who have sensitive skin or get different types of treatments and things of that nature on their face. You want to make sure you're using things that are gentle on your skin at all times. So that includes when you're taking your makeup off. So highly recommend this brand because I do have one of their products that I use faithfully when taking my makeup off. So I'm excited because this actually gives me a, it actually doesn't give me a reason to ever have a dirty sponge ever again. Yay! So it comes with this compartment that you can put your sponge in and close it. So you just twist it on and then you throw it in your washer and it comes out like new. So I'm excited about that because it says you can use it once a week to clean your sponge. I don't wear makeup that often anymore because of coronavirus, unfortunately, so I don't have anywhere to go because I don't have a life. Okay. So I was excited because this product actually came with a sponge, which I need a new one anyway. It came with a pretty round bottom, so it has like this pointed slanted side as well, so you can get those hard to reach like corners in the centers and tear ducts of your eyes when you are applying foundation, concealer, whatever you have it. So I'm really excited because this was my first BoxyCharm box and they've already won me over. And I'm excited to try these products. Thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for sending me my first box. As I was saying, I'm going to be doing a holiday look that features multiple items from this box. Unfortunately, I couldn't do a makeup tutorial today for you guys because I just got my dermaplaning facial. So I have to wait 24 to 48 hours before applying any makeup to my face. So that's why you see that my brows are barely done. But I put some lashes on, so it makes me look like I'm doing something, okay? Even though we're in the house. So if you guys are interested in seeing that next makeup tutorial, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and have that notification bell on. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.